My name's Chester and I'm going to take you through 5 quick fixes you can do to take your e-commerce conversion rate to the next level. Number 1. Inject dynamic content. When it comes to online shopping, customers want to feel like individuals. A simple way to personalise the customer journey is with product recommendations. Adding personalised product suggestions based on real-time data will increase product exposure, inspire purchases and boost AOV. And because they're AI-led, you can let them do all the heavy lifting for you. Number 2. Deliver relevant, timely messages. Delivering personalised messages using on-screen alerts can persuade shoppers to convert. For example, if a customer shows intent to leave your site with items in their basket, you can offer a discount code to persuade them to check out. Or, if a user is new to your site, highlighting your reviews and USPs will help them build trust in your brand. Delivering the right message at the right time can keep shoppers on your site as a quick fix to boost your conversion rate. Number 3. Social proof. When a user finds a product they're interested in, you can use social proof in the form of customer reviews to persuade shoppers to add to cart. Most people tend to follow the crowd, so if you can show that a product is popular, customers are more likely to purchase it. By displaying reviews from other customers, shoppers feel reassured and more confident in their purchase. Number 4. Urgency. Past purchases aren't unuseful for reviews. Purchase stats can also instill urgency and make people act. Scarcity marketing, FOMO, fear of loss, whatever you want to call it. When a customer knows a product is in high demand or an offer is ending, they can be persuaded to convert. You can create urgency by displaying purchase or view counters, adding timers that count down to the end of a promotion, or reminding users of your free delivery deadline. This will encourage customers to move quickly and keep them in the sales funnel. Number 5. Prevent basket abandonment. You're almost there. A customer has items in their basket and is a click away from purchasing, but then they leave before completing their purchase. People get distracted. It happens. That doesn't mean the end of the road for your sale. If they've provided their email address, you can send a series of basket abandonment emails to encourage customers to revisit your site and complete their purchase. Why not check out our blog post to discover more tips and tricks to increase your conversion rate? Until next time, happy converting.